Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I'll be showing you how to buy the most profitable lands on NextEarth. If you guys don't know what NextEarth is a complete NFT metaverse, and here you can buy any land you want to buy anywhere in the world. You can buy any land, and these lands keep appreciating every day. Let me just show you something that will blow your mind right now. Somebody minted this for free and sold for 800 matic. If you guys think this is a joke, okay, just imagine this was minted for just $29 and it was sold for 200 matic. I'm going to show you how to buy properties here on NextEarth. What you need to do, first of all, you need to have matic. I'll drop the link below. You click the link and it brings you here to NextEarth. You also get registered with Crew3 here. This place gives you, just in case you don't have money, if you don't have money to go and buy these lands, you could gain points here that you could use and buy lands on this platform. If this thing is confusing for you and you're interested, you want to get detailed guide on how to go about this, you ensure you join our Telegram channel here at Brit School, where we teach you everything crypto, metaverse, everything crypto investments. You're going to learn here at Brit School, technology, Web3. We teach you everything you need to know at Brit School. We actually have a complete course website here. Come to britschool.org. You will see several courses here that we have at britschool.org here. So I'm going to upload a course about NextEarth, how you could actually make a killing, how you can make thousands of dollars with NextEarth, buying properties and they appreciate it and you keep making interest. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work. I'm going to show you everything, how this works. So I'm going to jump in and actually get started. To get started, first of all, you need to have your MetaMask ready. If you don't have MetaMask on your laptop or on your mobile device, you need to have MetaMask on your mobile device. You need to load some Matic. You need to connect to the Matic network, and you see here I have some Matic. So I'm going to show you how to play around with this. One of the strategies I use is I use this AI to actually give me ideas of expensive places around the world to buy NFTs. For instance, you can see I said this should give me a list of the most expensive lands in the world. It gave me ideas. You can look at this: Monaco, Hong Kong, London. It just gave me a general knowledge about land. So I came over here again. I asked it most expensive buildings in the world, and it came up with these buildings. So, and I also asked it about you can see here a list of most expensive stadiums. Why am I getting the most expensive? Because if you buy a house in a very expensive area, for instance, let's just say for instance we'll come over here and we're trying to buy this Mercedes-Benz stadium here in Georgia, USA. Is worth at 1.5 billion currently. You can see the map coordinates, the latitude and longitude here, and I copy this and I come here to NextEarth and I paste it here. You see it pops up here on the map. It tells me Mercedes-Benz stadium right here. So if I can click this, it takes me on the map to the stadium itself. Now you can see this is the stadium right here, Mercedes-Benz stadium. You can see it's already listed Mercedes. So if I click this, it will show me the area I can buy, and actually I selected this and you can see here it's going for $1,700 currently. Okay, now looking at the most expensive lands in the world, you can see here Monaco here with an average price of around $47,000 per square meter. Monaco is the most expensive place to buy land in the world. So we can just carry Monaco here and let's copy Monaco and search on our map here and see if we can buy a land around that area. So let's go to Monaco. So it takes us to Monaco. It takes us on the journey to Monaco. So now we are in Monaco. So you can find somewhere very expensive within your budget. You can see people have bought a lot of things. Anyway, you see this, you can see people that you can see this CryptoPunk has already bought a piece of land around here. So you can find something else to buy. For instance, this area, just because of this is closed here, this is just the water around Monaco, and see how expensive it is. If I click this area alone, they're telling me to buy this area that is marked. It's $372. Okay, we're still gonna go inside, find somewhere to buy. You can see people bought these whole places. You can see a lot of people already here. I want to buy somewhere I can also mark Don't buy land, that's already, or don't buy a territory that's already been marked. You want to buy a territory that's not marked. It's going for $8. I can actually buy this now. This is not a marked area, so I can click buy. And if you had a promo code, you could use your promo code, and you can just come over here. I check. They're going to take 7 matic, and I can click checkout. Transaction is being processed. Select your wallet. So I'm connected to MetaMask. I'll click MetaMask, and they will charge my MetaMask wallet like this. So you can see $8. You can come here and confirm the transaction, and see I bought a land in a place that is that I can actually create my own art there and actually sell it. So just go out from here. If I come here, you see here, if I click my profile, you will see the value of what I bought. So I can actually see my asset. You can see it here, right here, my name territory. I can actually land page. I can click my land page. That is my land page. So you can see right here, I can create a land art. I can sell it. Okay, so I can just come here, create my land art. For instance, you can pick the pencil. So you can pick either you can see the tools here, pencil. You can see emojis. So I can select map, and I'm going to put my country map inside. So let me select Nigeria right here. So I can put these maps. Okay, so right now I'm done with. I can come back here. Alright, so if I check my asset, you see here my asset has been marked. You can see it right here. You can see here you can actually buy these lands with gift cards. So always ensure you join our Telegram here, so we give you updates on when there are gift cards, so you can actually claim these gift cards. You need to ensure you're secured when you're operating online. You need to protect your assets online. When you create your account and you've started buying NFTs here, ensure you come here to your settings and make sure you enable your 2FA, so that in case you have a issue of breach or hack, you should be able to retrieve your account. Have something, you come to the market, you see what's happening in the market. You know, some people are selling. You can buy. You can see here this Red Sea for 5 matic. You can see here there are several places here you could buy here. Some people have bought areas and they have listed it here. You could come here in the marketplace here and you buy stuff. And right now I'm around Hong Kong International Airport. Right here you see me here. So if you check for how much a tile is worth around here, so if I check here, for instance, one tile around this LSG Sky Chefs, a tile, if you press double click, it tells you one tile here is around $1.03. Okay, so it means if you're buying here, you're going to spend this to buy here. So what you can do is you can find a very good building or a hotel here and buy, or maybe something you know that could actually give you people can pay rent for, or the location you buy is something that can actually earn you rent. So you can look for a hotel. I'm seeing something on airport CG services. So you're seeing here how much this one is worth. If we just slide out of this area a bit and we'll come over this area, you see this place looks like a water area. You get, so you see how much one is worth there. And just close, let's just even tap this area here and see how much one is worth here. It's still $1. But if you come this area and you tap this block here, it's still $1. Let's come over to this other side. Let's tap. So that's how you get somewhere very cheap, close to somewhere that looks expensive. I see, you better check what you're buying. Some of them are telling you not land art compatible, so you need to buy something that is land art compatible. Let's clear this. Let's find something, an area that, let's see, so this area I bought, it said it's land art compatible and it's close to this area. You can see here it's showing is land art compatible and is 0.1. so we can buy more of this like this one. So you can just select by blocks like this, select by blocks. So now if you can see these blocks, how many blocks? 63 blocks, $6. So I'm having 63 blocks guys for $6, and it's land art compatible in an area close to Hong Kong International Airport. This is a good deal guys, this is a good deal. So I'm buying this straight up. You can see be a metaverse property, so I'll just click buy, and right now I'm paying with my wallet. I'll check here, click checkout. Transaction is being processed. So alright, so it's connecting to my MetaMask. Gas fee is too high. I don't mind, I'm still going to buy it. You guys can't stop me from buying that property. So you can build something very close to Hong Kong. Alright, congratulations, your purchase was successful. Right, so you can see here I own 2 NFTs now. See here, the area here is Hong Kong. It still shows you where this area is. Area 1 Thai Sky City 9 Eagles golf course. This is a golf course guys. For their staking here, you see you need to have the NXTT token. So you can just come over here. If you check on Polygon scan, you see here they have a total supply. Over here you see their total supply. You see holders that have this token now. You can see what's happening here. You need to stake their token so I could get some dividends from that. So right now I can just copy their address. If you come over here, you see their contract address here. I'll click here, copy, then I'll go to quickswap.exchange. Is actually the platform where you can actually swap and get any token. So I'll click here and I'll connect to my MetaMask. So I'm trying to get their token so I can stake and also earn more revenue from staking their own token, because their token would keep having value as people buy more lands. That's one thing you should know. So I'll click next and I'll come here to connect. So to connect my my wallet to QuickSwap. So now I can just go to their swap here, and I have Matic selected here. So I can click this area and I put the contract address for NXXT. So I can click enter. Okay, so you can see here their token popped up. So now let's say I'm buying with 50% of my Matic, or I put the number. I'm going to just use 6 Matic. Let's just use 6 Matic. So 6 Matic is worth around $7, and it's going to get me around 5,003 of this token. So I'll just click swap. So I'm swapping my Matic to NXT. I'll click confirm. Alright, so I'll just click confirm here. Transaction submitted. Let's just wait for it to be successful. Our transaction is completed, so I can close now. Now you can see I have NXTT. So now I can go back to their staking at NextEarth and connect to their staking pool. And once I connect to their staking, now my wallet is connected. I can come over here to their staking. You see here they have several days, 30 days staking, they have 90 days staking, they have 180 days staking. I can stake for 180 days. Transaction in progress, and right now it's going to take me to MetaMask. Right now you can see here I'm on MetaMask, and I can click confirm. Okay, so now you can see I have access to their staking now. So I can just put the quantity of NXST I want to stake. I'll stake 4,000. This 4,000 I'm staking, you can see the API I'm getting is 30%, and next balance will be around so my earnings will be around 591 NXT in 180 days, and I can just click continue. If you're okay with what you've selected, you could click accept staking conditions, and I click stake, and it will verify your transaction on MetaMask. Click confirm. Transaction successful. So I've started staking. I'll get this around August thereabout. Video is getting too long. I'm going to stop the video right here, and thank you for hanging out. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll drop all our links to our platforms here, so you can actually get all the updates you need to know. Right now I'm going to be showing you a strategy you can use to gather some of these SPs. It's called SPs. They are also like rewards they give you for participating in this project. So if you check here, if you open here, if you check here, NextEarth, you're seeing here, this is like their own social media platform. They give you quest, and they give you some tasks to do, and once you do those tasks, like you have to go through the quest section and finish all the tasks they give you. Some will be locked, like for this, you can see these ones are locked here. I can't do this one because I've not completed this. They are still reviewing this crew tree. They are reviewing this part I give a suggestion, but I finished Twitter, I finished social media. Some of these are already, I've done these ones already. You see, I've submitted for these ones already, so I don't need to do it the second time. You're not supposed to do it twice. So but these ones are you can see these ones are green. It means they have allowed me to do these other ones over here, so I can do these ones here. You're just going to click and read the terms, what they're asking you to do. Copy the text and link below and paste it as a tweet on your profile. So you can see, make sure you read this thing very well before you do anything. Make sure you follow the rules so that I don't break one of the rules and they maybe penalize you for it. Read all the rules carefully. Any kind of cheating will result in SP removal, so you have to be very careful about what you're doing on this platform here. So you're going to submit your link after you do this tweet. So right now I can just copy this thing like this. I don't have an issue. Like, I can just create a new tweet, paste it like that, tweet this, just click tweet. Now I've tweeted. If I come to my profile, do is click my tweet, and I just need to copy, just copy my tweet like this and paste the link right here. So paste. So I've done that task. I can claim reward. Once I click claim reward, you see quest claimed. So the more you fulfill these tasks, your level will increase. You see here, I'm in level 3. You see here, so I'll keep fulfilling more tasks, and you see my level, I'll cross to the next level. Where I'm actually striving for is to come to this level here, where you see these levels are giving high XPs. Here you invite 100 friends, 1000 SPs. That is where I'm actually striving for right now. These SPs would help you rank on the leaderboard here. If you check the leaderboard here, you will see here this guy here, over here, 51, he has done 518 quests. He has over 6000 XPs. This guy is ranking the leaderboard. So if you check down the list, you see people down the list like that. You just have to keep doing all these quests to rank on this leaderboard. I believe there's going to be some sort of rewards to people actively participating in this network. So that's it for now. So thank you for hanging out, and see you in the next video, and bye.